everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm just gonna give you guys an update over my stretch mark tattoos. It's been 4 weeks, yay! So yeah, it is a month now that I had my cover up tattoo for my stretch marks in my buttocks and some part of my thighs, or just a little bit part of my thighs. So yeah, I am super excited to show you guys how it looks now. It's not a drastic change actually, but definitely it's there. It's kind of dark and it's dry. I don't think it's scabbing yet. I don't know when it's really gonna scab. I know 2 weeks ago I told you guys that it was scabbing and that's it. That was it. So right now I am, like, to be honest, I am very scared that it is like dark still because it's been 4 weeks, but I know it's gonna take up to 60 days to get it, you know, like totally gone. So I'm still hoping for that and I'm excited for that, but you know, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do if this stretch marks, the tattoos, I mean, is gonna be like in there and it's dark and it's not gonna go away. I'm just scared, guys. I am scared right now because, you know, like maybe it's part of me being impatient about it, but yeah, for today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks like, you know, the side, like the left side, I mean the right side and the left side and then the back side. And hopefully, you know, like my butt cheeks is not really gonna be like showing, because I know I've been putting the peach emoji just to cover some of part of it, because I thought it's not, you know, like it doesn't look really good as, you know, like me as an influencer over here and a mom, you know. I just want to show you the sides of it, but not really, you know, like the middle of it. So I hope you guys understand that. But so yeah, here it is. So this is how it looks like on the front side, or the front. And you guys can see this one is like, or these ones are fading already. And it's kind of dark still, but it's kind of like right there where it's a little, you know, like, I don't know if it's scabbing. I don't see anything, but I can see that it's kind of like fading already, like over here on this part. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's like going away now. And this is my left side. This is how it looks like, guys. So show you guys that. I don't know if you guys can see that better right there. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's kind of dark still, but I am hoping that it's gonna go away. Some part of it is like starting to lighten up, but you know, like scabbing, like, you know, like flaking off. It's not there. I don't know if it's ever gonna be there, so I'm kind of scared. But yeah, this is how my skin or my body is reacting to it. So yeah, this is how it looks like on my left side. And this is my right side. This is how it looks like, guys. So remember, she did this part, or this side, the first one, but I don't know if it's gonna matter. But it is kind of like light over here. It is, yeah. You guys can see like all the lines over here, but still a lot lighter. But yeah, it's definitely, you know, like you can tell how it looks like right now. So yeah, I am still hoping that it's gonna go away sooner. So yeah, and I just want to show you guys the back side. This is how it looks like. And there are some tattoos over here that she put, I know. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Again, this is the front side. And then the right side. The back. And the left side. So yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I am super scared right now because, well, I'm just being impatient, I guess. But it's still kind of dark. I don't see flaking off. I don't see anything like scabbing off in there. So I am just scared that, you know, like it's not gonna go away. Hopefully it is gonna go away, because I do not know what I'm gonna do if this thing is gonna sit in there like I'm all striped, like it was worse than, you know, like before. But I am hoping it will go away, but if not, oh my gosh, maybe I'm just gonna go through another session of tattoo again, but hopefully not, hopefully not. And if you guys want to check her out, it's the Studio Skalp. Her name is Jade. I'm gonna be putting all the link down on the description box for you guys, and this is a collaboration work. I just want to let you guys know that. And yeah, I am very grateful to be able to get this thing done, and I'm so excited to what's gonna happen. Like I told you guys, I don't know what to expect. On the first video I told you guys that I thought it was like unreal, and it is actually real. So, you know, like I'm still waiting on that time where I can say that, oh yes, it is really real. But I'm saying yes, like all my, you know, not all of it, but my stretch marks are gonna be like faded, or not faded, but you can't see it, because what it's doing is like it's trying to conceal all that tattoos. Like, you know, like if you have some marks on your face, you put the concealer and then you put the foundation over it, or foundation and then the concealer and then powder, like it's still there, but you can't really see it, you can't really tell because it's concealed. So it's like that on my stretch marks on my buttocks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I know I look like a mom. Well, I am a mom, but anyways, yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video.